Hello and good evening everyone. Welcome back to All Computer Classes. As you know that we had two chapters in class 9th about PowerPoint. So this is second part of PowerPoint, that is chapter 12, right? And today first lecture of chapter 12, right? So these are the three topics that we are going to cover today. That is adding a new slides in a presentation, modifying a slides layout, working in slide sorter view, right? So let's get started with first topic. So to add new slide into your existing presentation, so to add a new slide that has the same layout as the previous slide, just click on this new button, the upper part of the new button, right? So this slide, the new slide, is again having the similar layout of the previous slide. I have modified it according to my need, but the basic layout was this only, right? Or what you can do, click on the drop down arrow next to the new slide button, right? So once you click this, various slides layout will appear in front of you in the form of thumbnail view, right? Select the desired layout that you want and click on that. Now this layout is selected. If you want one more slide of the similar layout, just click on the upper part of the new slide, right? So that's how we can add the new slide in our presentation. So the next topic is modifying a slide layout, right? So first of all, what is layout? Layout refers to arrangement of the text and object on a slide, right? So now this is a slide in front of you. Now you see this box, this title, this main content, and this logo, right? So all these are text and content, right? So how we can arrange the text and the object on a slide is designed with the help of layouts, right? So layout contains placeholder. So how we arrange this text and object, that is done with the help of placeholders that holds the text and the slide, right? So now what is these placeholders? Let me show you. This box, the dotted line that you can see on the screen, is a placeholder. This is a placeholder, right? Now the topic says that modifying a slides layout means you come here and see the different layouts, right? Now we have option to choose the layout according to our requirement, or we can change the layout of an existing slide, right? I can select the slide and choose the desired layout, right? Now you see I have changed the layout of an existing slide. Now if I want a new slide with new layout, then I need to go to the new slide. If I want to modify this layout of existing slide, just click on the slide and come here in the layout tab and click here. So accordingly the changes will happen on the screen. Now you see the different layouts arranging the text and the pictures in a different way. So that's how we can change the layout, right? The next topic is working in slide sorter view, right? So a slide sorter view contains thumbnail view of all the slides in a presentation. Let me show you. For example, I go in the view, and here in presentation view I have this slide sorter view. So all the slides will appear here, right? So they are the small miniature picture of the slides called the thumbnails, right? Now if I click on the slide, it will get a yellow border outside. It means that this slide is selected for applying the changes on this slide, right? I can apply the change on one slide or on all the slides depending upon the selection. If I'm selecting one slide, the changes will be on one slide. If I'll be selecting multiple slides, the changes will be on all the slides, right? So now how I can select different type of selections. If I want to select the random, means non-contiguous slides which are not adjacent to each other, then I need to use control key, right? So for example, I want to select first and the last slide, so I'll press the control key and click on the slides which I want to select, right? Then I can apply the changes, like I can move them, I can copy them, I can paste them, right? So I'll show you how. Now you see I'll keep the control key pressed. So now first and the fourth slide is selected. I'll right click on these slides and I can copy them, cut them, whatever I want to do. Even I can delete, right? Or I can hide the slides, right? Or format the background color of the slides. So all these kind of things I can do from the slide sorter view, right? This is about the slides which are not adjacent to each other. Now for example, I want to apply the transition on all the slides. So for that I need to select all the slides. So for that I have two methods. One, pressing the control key and clicking on all the slides. Second, keeping the shift key pressed and click on first and the last slide. So you see, keeping the shift key pressed, click on first and the last slide, right? So this is how I can select the multiple slide. Now let's see how I can apply the transition. So my first slide was not selected, right? So let's go in the view and normal view. Now let's start the presentation, right? So this is how we can work in a slide sorter view. Now I can even come here and copy and paste. For example, I want to copy this slide, so I'll select the slide, copy, click wherever you want to paste it. For example, I want to paste it in between these two, so I'll click here. So now you can see a cursor is blinking here. I'll press Ctrl V. Right? So transition is applied but color is not copied here, right? So this is how we can work with slides. I can copy, paste, cut, paste. For example, I don't want this slide, I can delete this slide. So for that I'll select the slides and I can press the delete key, right? So this is how we can work in slide sorter view. Hope you have understood this, and now you learned how to copy, move and delete the slide using the slide sorter view, right? And you learned about modifying a slide layout and adding new slide in a presentation, right? So that's it for today. See you in the next video of chapter 12. So till then, take care, goodbye, and God bless you all.